It is now official that Facebook now considers content creators in Nigeria for monetization. If you have a Facebook page, click on Professional Dashboard. Then at the top menu, scroll left, you see monetization. Click on monetization. Then go to in-stream ads, the last option here, the fourth option, in-stream ads. Now scroll up. Can you see eligibility criteria? My rates 2 of 5 criteria met, so I have about 3 more to meet. Now the first criteria is about the country where I reside. It said you reside in an eligible country, and it ticked it. Good. Now the second criteria is about me following Facebook content monetization policy. I will read through and get it done. Okay. Now the third criteria is about having up to 5,000 followers, which here I have, so it ticked that one for me too. And the fourth criteria is about getting up to 60,000 minutes of video views in 60 days. I'm yet to meet that criteria. Then the fifth criteria is about posting up to 5 eligible videos in 30 days. If you like this video, do share with others and follow me for more.